To make a recording using yuja, click on the yuja tab in the navigation bar. Then click on Create Recording. If you have never used yuja before, click on Download to download the yuja software. Then click on Start. Here you can choose the parameters of your recording. You can turn the video on or off. You can change your input source, meaning your microphone. And you can decide whether or not you'd like to broadcast your screen. If you turn video and screen off, then you'll just be recording audio. Click on Start and you'll get a countdown. This is a test recording. When you're done, click on Stop in the control bar, which in my case populates in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Then click on Save. You will then get a box with a progress bar. It may take a few minutes for yuja to finish processing your video and for the video to populate in yuja on D2L. Once the video populates, it will appear as an icon in the My Media section of yuja. To change the name of the recording, hover over the icon and click on More. Then change the name and click on Save General. Now let's see how to post it. To post your yuja recording in a discussion, simply go to the discussion you'd like to post. For example, step 2 here. Start a new thread, click on the Insert Stuff icon, and choose Yuja Media Chooser. Here you will see all of your yuja recordings. You may need to scroll down. I'm going to choose Test, so I click on it and then hit Insert. Click Post, and you're done.